Hi, tinile chu English course nong lai nai. Bing English salayem nơi lai thiom bo ham nơi sing lai meok nai ni bo ye. Akin raw bo channel no subscribe kia khong sing ke subscribe ke lai di bell icon on ready video ta phai ma siok nai ni bo ye. Get up mo ke ba cha di. Ta khan yo guru ready. Get up. Ta ke tre thai ha. When do you get up mo ke nung bre pu o ba cha. Ta khan yo guru ready. When do you get up? Ta ke tre thai ha. I usually get up 5:30 a.m. every morning. Mo ke ang point boy dain bak sa ro ba cha playo. Ta khan yo guru ready. I usually get up 5:30 a.m. every morning. Ta ke tre thai ha. Let me sleep more. Mo ke tau sa thu granu. Ta khan yo guru ready. Let me sleep more. Ta ke tre thai ha. I'm still sleepy. Mo ke angle mu tre phai to ko. Ta khan yo guru ready. I am still sleepy. Ta ke tre thai ha. Brush your teeth. Mo ke bua hu di. Ta khan yo guru ready. Brush your teeth. Ta ke tre thai ha. Did you brush your teeth? Mo ke nung bua de hu ha. Ta khan yo guru ready. Did you brush your teeth? Ta ke tre thai ha. Where is my toothbrush? Mo ke bro ai ni bua hu yo nai ma. Ta khan yo guru ready. Where is my toothbrush? Ta ke tre thai ha. There is no more toothpaste. Mo ke buam thi se krui khale. Ta khan yo guru ready. There is no more toothpaste. Ta ke tre thai ha. Please help me squeeze toothpaste. Mo ke ang no buam thi se khori gradi. Ta khan yo guru ready. Please help me squeeze toothpaste. Ta ke tre thai ha. Don't swallow the toothpaste. Mo ke buam thi no tam no di. Ta khan yo guru ready. Don't swallow the toothpaste. Ta ke tre thai ha. Spit it out. Mo ke msuye khui di. Ta khan yo guru ready. Spit it out. Ta ke tre thai ha. Wash your mouth properly. Mo ke kaham ke mkhusu di. Ta khan yo guru ready. Wash your mouth properly. Ta ke tre thai ha. Squeeze it. Mo ke khuru di. Ta khan yo guru ready. Squeeze it. Ta ke tre thai ha. Flush the toilet if you pee. Mo ke nung stoi pai ke khi thai suklai di. Ta khan yo guru ready. Flush the toilet if you pee. Ta ke tre thai ha. Wash your hands after you poop. Mo ke yau su di nung khi pai ke. Ta khan yo guru ready. Wash your hands after you poop. Ta ke tre thai ha. What are you cooking? Mo ke nung tma sung mi. Ta khan yo guru ready. What are you cooking? Ta ke tre thai ha. It smells so good. Mo ke bahaim to ma u hale. Ta khan yo guru ready. It smells so good. Ta ke tre thai ha. I'm cooking chicken. Mo ke ang le tao hai sung tungu. Ta khan yo guru ready. I am cooking chicken. Ta ke tre thai ha. What do you want to have for breakfast? Mo ke nung tma no chanim chu. Breakfast ke phwai ni chai one mano se hingya o. Ta khan yo guru ready. What do you want to have for breakfast? Ta ke tre thai ha. I want to have chicken soup. Mo ke ang le tao haim tui se nong nim chu. Ta khan yo guru ready. I want to have chicken soup. Ta ke tre thai ha. It is time for breakfast. Mo ke phwai ni cha zora ung ha. Ta ke an yo guru ready. It is time for breakfast. Ta ke tre thai ha. Mop the kitchen floor. Mo ke moisuno huklai di. tak ke ang yago rupredi mop the kitchen floor tak ke tre thai ha don't spill the soup moke moim toi tak sai ridi tak ang yago rupredi don't spill the soup tak ke tre thai ha I'm full I can't eat anymore moke ang le hopong ha ang tre chamai siya tak ang yago rupredi I am full I can't eat anymore tak ke tre thai ha could you drop me to the school moke nung ang no school lo tilang mai nei de tak ang yago rupredi could you drop me to the school tak ke tre thai ha your room is messy moke nini room le bujukroi tak ang yago rupredi your room is messy tak ke tre thai ha will you join me for jogging moke ang bai pal khai nei de jogging ke ai chu o khai mono se jogging no tak ang yago rupredi will you join me for jogging tak ke tre thai ha wear your shoes moke nini juta kadi tak ang yago rupredi wear your shoes tak ke tre thai ha wait a second moke second ha nai singradi tak ang yago rupredi wait a second dinile boss ono ka thau mong ha khak sang ha